Right now we do have a snowy morning out here back in a winter wonderland in parts of eastern Iowa. Especially you go to the north and east and there's 5 to 7 inches of snow that fell. You get down to about Highway 20 closer to 2 inches, and then Highway 30 is about a half an inch to an inch of snow. We do have a few slick spots out there in the northeastern part of the area, but around Cedar Rapids just been some wet streets, and to the north and east where there's more snow, that's where you'll find some partially snow covered roads. Not seeing huge issues on the main roads, but could be some side streets and some of those side roads that are the gravel roads that could be having some trouble there with the snow on them. And we are going to have just a bit of a slower commute that way, but we should get into sunshine over the next couple of hours. That will definitely help the situation. Might take a little bit longer in the north and east, but down to the south and west, snow should melt away pretty easily under the April sun. We have temperatures that are in the 30s across the board: 32 in Decorah, 35 Cedar Rapids, 36 in Washington, and the winds are strong too. You've probably been hearing them. And then in the last hour, we've had some wind gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour, and that's going to lead to quite the blustery day with temperatures in the 40s in the north, 50s in the south, and the sun coming out. At least it's going to feel a lot colder with winds gusting around 35 to 45 miles per hour, especially during the first half of the day. Winds stay strong this afternoon, start to back off as we head then into this evening. And as the winds die down and the skies stay clear, we are going to have temperatures dropping down into the upper 20s to low 30s. So even as the snow melts and the sun comes out today, if you do have any sensitive plants and flowers, you'll want to cover them up or bring them inside, because we are going to have this cold air around. And it's just unfortunate after we got into all that warmth and started to see things blooming and the trees, the buds on the trees and such, and the grass turning green. Maybe some people mowing their lawns, and now it's snow. But we are going to have the northwest wind for today, quickly switching out of the south and east tomorrow, pulling in some warmer air. We're back into some more springy weather by the middle of the week, with a chance for some showers and storms on Wednesday. And this model here showing a line coming through in the morning. We'll have to kind of keep an eye on things and watch the trends, but there's certainly the chance for some storms on Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center also has been monitoring the area with a marginal risk and a slight risk, which is 1 out of 2 out of 5, 1 and 2 out of 5 on the scale here, for the possibility of some strong storms. So we're going to be keeping an eye on this, and we'll have to kind of watch and see where everything does set up. But there's a chance we could see some additional storms on Thursday as well. As we do keep the pattern active, we have this snow that fell partially on the Mississippi too, some heavy snow, and we have some more rain this week. That could cause additional complications on the Mississippi, as it's expected to rise over the next 2 weeks. We do have flood warnings posted until further notice, and the National Weather Service concerned about the potential for some near record crests to occur as we go through the end of April and into early May, depending on the situation, because of the snow that's melted and because of additional rain coming through. We are going to have temperatures around 50 today, near 60 tomorrow. We take it a step up into the middle of the week with some springy weather and the chance for showers and storms, but we then get tossed back down below normal as we head into the upcoming weekend.